Now that the advent of cyber had begun, I think it's time to dive in. Advent of Cyber 2025. Learn cybersecurity for free with 24 beginner-friendly challenges. Starting December the 1st with over $150,000 in prizes. Let's see. Advent of Cyber is your free beginner-friendly gateway into cybersecurity. So basically, it's an yearly created event is basically suited for everyone, but beginners are very welcomed to try this for free, and you can actually win prizes. I have a friend that won 1 year subscription on TryHackMe last year and also t-shirts. So let's go. It's sponsored by Porswigger. You'll see what this is because we'll do all the labs in there as well. So come back on 1st of December. This is how you enter. Register an account on TryHackMe and then come back on 1st of December. Every day at 4 p.m. it will release a new challenge. Let's do this. Warm up is ready for you. Click to start. Advent of Cyber Prep track. And you can see here, right, in a couple of hours, you'll get the next one, and so on and so on and so on. Let's start. Advent of Cyber Prep track. Get ready for the Advent of Cyber 2025. With the Advent of Cyber Prep track, a series of warm-up tasks aim to get beginner ready for this year's event. Welcome to Advent of Cyber 2025. This year's Advent of Cyber, sometimes something isn't quite right in Wareville. You can help save the town and their beloved sock mess tradition from the evil grasp of King Malher. Dive into the wonderful world of cybersecurity by engaging in festive, beginner-friendly challenges every day in the lead up to Christmas. Advent of Cyber is available to all TryHackMe users, and best of all, is free to participate in. You'll also be in with the chance of winning from this year's huge $150,000 prize draw. The more rooms you complete, the higher your chances of winning big. So here are the main prizes. I already saw what I want. I now will tell you. So this year's our biggest and best prize draw yet, with over 150K worth of prizes. In this event, the number of rooms you complete really matters. For each question answered, you'll receive a raffle ticket. The more raffle tickets you collect, the higher chances of winning big. Here are the prizes for your grabs. So basically it's the iPhone, then keyboards, monitors, obviously discounts on the Swagger shop, discounts on cloud, discounts on certifications, I believe. Also this one, I think this one is for a discount for certification, and this one is the discount that my friend won for the subscription on TryHackMe. This is what I want. This one. Discount on Porswigger. If I get this one, let's go. Okay, a lot of prizes. General rules. General rules. Breaking any of the following rules will result in elimination from the event. TryHackMe.com and the OpenVPN server are off limits to probing, scanning, or exploiting. Users are only authorized to hack machines deployed in the rooms they have access to. Users are not to target or attack other users. Users should only enter the event once, using one account. Answers to questions are not to be shared unless shown on videos, streams. Cheating or usage of bot accounts. For the prize raffle top terms and conditions, please visit here. Please note, cheating is not allowed on and will result in a disqualification from the Advent of Cyber event. All winners will be fully verified. This includes in particular creating puppet accounts to inflate your chance to win, using bots to autocomplete the answers in the room. How to qualify? To qualify for the main prizes, you must complete the rooms in the Advent of Cyber 2025 event, starting with day 1. Only room completions in the Advent of Cyber 2025 roadmap will qualify you for the raffle. It doesn't matter when you complete rooms, you just need to complete them by 31st of December 2025, for example. If you complete day 1 on 31st of December 2025, you will still receive the same amount of raffle tickets as a user who completed on the day of the task release. You don't have to complete all the rooms or complete them in order. The more rooms you complete, the more raffle tickets you get, in the higher chance to win. Certificate. Finally, after completing the room in the event, you will earn a certificate of completion, as your name will be included in the certificate. We advise ensuring your full name is set and updated in your profile. So here is the certificate that you will get at the end of this Advent of Cyber. Featured videos. Each room release has a supporting video walkthrough to guide you through. You can expect to see some of your favorite cybersecurity video creators. All videos will be available within the relevant task content. This year's Advent of Cyber featured creators including John Hammond, Zero Day, Unix Guy, Bearded IT Dad, Mad Hat, Day Cyber Walks, Marcus Hutchins, David Alves, Beaten Tech, Grant Collins, Eric Parker, and more. Answer the questions below. Got it. Awesome. We just have a ticket. So that was task number 1. Welcome to the Advent of Cyber 2025.